Hey YouTube, and today we're gonna learn, well, you guys ever get the feeling when you're stuck somewhere? You're just like, oh gosh, we can't get backwards on a boat on the game The Plaza by Wiggin. So here's what you want to do. You want to hold down S. This is only for laptop, so you want to hold down S and then W, and then you start going backwards. See? This is I'm not editing this. The only edit I do is I hit this pause button right here. That's the only edit I do. But I don't even know how to edit from YouTube. But yeah, you go backwards. And yeah, this is the new speedboat that it just came out, I think today? I have no idea. So, but yeah, let's go drive this thing around. Yeah, it gets really fun. So let's go drive around this stuff, or the island, and go to other places.
With your smile, like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and sound.
Okay, guys, sorry if you hear background noise. It is like pouring rain outside, but okay, I'm gonna get on my phone and go to timer. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so then I'm gonna see, because it's fast and all, we're gonna see how long it takes from here around the plaza and back. Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
Fill me out with your smile. Like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and
Whoops, I went a bit too far, but the time, or the timer that it was 43.44 seconds. It's a speed boat, but it doesn't go that fast. So yeah, that's the little review on the what do you call it? The speedboat. It's right there. Now, because this is only a 3-minute video, I'm probably gonna review the Archer, which is, I was planning to do it earlier today, or a long time ago, but I never had time to do it. So, and I'm gonna go over there, and then I'm gonna go get the Archer. So, alright, I just heard a sound outside. Okay, I'll get the plane spawned in, and yeah. So like every vehicle in this game, you can choose your color. I'm gonna go with blue. Teleport to there. So when you get in the helicopter, you come up with this. Knots. I believe this is feet. And this is feet, and that's your angle feet. I forgot what this one was. I think it was like speed. I don't know, but yeah, to start it, you hit F. Yeah, F, and then to get going, you hit Shift. and then I'm gonna go fast on the runway. Just slow down, control, the one below, shift. I think it doesn't matter which one you use. And then shift to go. S is to pitch your nose up. And this is the nose for those of you that don't know what I mean by nose. It's the front of the plane. So S to go up, like that. And then you have W to go down, and then A and D is just left and right. So yeah, we're gonna go land this. So yeah, that is the Archer review. And in this volcano, it's why I came over here. This is where the Wigian's lair badge is. So you come into here, and then you walk in here. If you guys don't know, this vehicle right here. This is from the game. What was it? Minor. Hold on one second. I gotta go find it. Right here, as you can see, the thumbnail. That was the vehicle we went to go see. Miners Inc. by Wigian. It will have. Yeah, come check out Plaza, which we're just on, or we still are on. See. So yeah, and I just saw this right when I was looking through it. Hold on, let me go see it. So you do this. Sorry, what? Hold on one second. Okay. Okay. So you go here, 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 right there. Lumber Inc. 3. So is this like Lumber Tycoon 3? I don't know. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, people are playing. I don't do tutorials, so I just go spawn. Whoa! Oh my gosh! What in the world? I guess this video's. I don't know. We're gonna do a review on the limo next video. The truck shop. Ooh. I wish there was a way to run, but like on LT2 and this game, I guess you can't run. Oh, same with LT. What's this? View catalog. Okay, I don't have a truck, so how much? 200. I guess I have to buy this. Wait, what? Where's the truck? Like, where you actually get the trucks? So they just spawn? Okay. That's a bit odd. Well, what's this? Spawn. Oh no. What is that? What in the world? Wait, what if that thing we saw? If the other one, if we go to, that's it right there. The heavy lifter. Wow, that's amazing. I thought it's just one thing he was not gonna like. Well, I guess I'm backing up. What is that? No, seriously, like, what is that? How do I work this? Oh. Wait, what? What do you do? Oh! Wait, picked it up? Wait, how do you drop it off? Oh, I'm so confused. Whoa! Bring it up. Oh, I think we bring... Oh. Excuse me, guy. I'm a bit stuck here. Oh, yeah. I want to watch him. Is he going to pick all that up? What's this? A train? Do we just bring it over to here and drop it? Huh? Or something? Oh! Oops. Oh, wait. G? E, R. R is to bring it up like that. G. F is to bring it down all the way. G, H, T, Y. I feel like Q and E does something. R. I have no idea what to do in this game. I have no idea. How do you spawn those down? Can I grab one? Thank you. Beep beep. This is the weirdest vehicle I've ever seen. Why isn't this in Wigian's lair? We bring it down? Where do we put this? Sorry, guys. Do we have to start on the first one? What are the controls? 3. I'm just gonna do tutorial. Welcome. You go first. Whoa! Next goal 2 out of 11. Next. Goes over. I'm gonna end this video right here. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna figure this out. Bye!